Yeah, you know, you gotta have that New York state of mind, you know. If you can make it in New York, you can make it anywhere. From day one, she been trying to get me out of New York, you know, because I'm a city guy.
Real good, looks real good.
Things was looking bad in New York during COVID, it was very bad. And I'm like, you know what, let's go to Florida, let's do a food truck. People always told her, friends and family, I was like, why don't you open up a restaurant one day, your food is delicious. And she just never did it, you know. I like to make money, so I'm like, I asked, I said, why don't we just sell it? $10 a plate, and boom, there you go. It just flew off the shelf.
Well, we're gonna make the legendary chopped cheese. That's a New York staple. It's basically a chopped up cheeseburger.
Well, it's like a hero, basically, with sesame seeds on it. And, you know, it's toasted. It's a big thing in New York, you know, that's what we grew up on. I mean, everything she makes, I love, you know, it's just like, it's so many different varieties, different choices. We're coming down here with something that nobody has. I recommend anybody, you know, come to One Fat Frog. You know, they're good people. They took care of us, did an amazing job, and I'll come back again for a second round, second truck if I have to. Whatever you want to do in life, just work hard at it. You know, don't give up, always have faith, keep yourself surrounded by positive people. You can do anything you want, just work hard at it.
This year is yours.